In the Fly Lady system, in the first week of the month, we focus on zone 1, which is the entrance, the front porch, and the dining area. What I'm going to focus on today will be our living room walls, because they look a certain type of way. I mean, just look at this. I don't know if you can see this. With 4 kids in our house, well, and the eldest is 6, so it's basically toddler heaven over here. They have quite a lot of, their hands are always touching here. So our walls are not looking very nice. So that's what I'm going to focus on today. And then I'll clean the front door. I don't know, we always seem to forget to clean our doors for some reason. So I'll clean our front door, and then I'll do the front yard, and then we'll keep going. So let me show you. So here I was using the liquid detergent that we make on this channel. If you have watched any of our videos, you know that we like to make our own cleaning products, and I'll link that video here. It is very helpful. One more thing we like to put in our cleaning water is essential oils. I think on this day I was still using my eucalyptus essential oil, which makes the house smell so nice. And I've been using this bottle for months, and it lasts for so long, and I just really love the scent that it left in our house. So I was using just the liquid detergent plus a bit of Vim on my scoring pad, which was really good for removing all those dirty marks from the wall. The one thing I love about the Fly Lady cleaning system is that she divides the home into different zones, so that you're able to you dedicate one whole week to cleaning one area of your home. So in the first week of the month, as I said, we do the entryway, the dining area, and the front porch. So what I love about it is that you don't have to try and clean your whole house in one entire day. And because I'm a working mom, I'm not able to do the way she says that you do 15 minutes every day in that area most times. Sometimes if I'm home, I don't know if my schedule allows, but most of the times I will take just one day of the week and do all the detailed cleaning of that area in that one day. So that's what I was doing here. If you have no idea about the Fly Lady system, I have done 2 videos explaining what exactly it is, and please check it out, because it will really help you in your cleaning of your home and just keeping it nice and organized. Let me tell you the mystery of this wall here. It's like this wall has some sort of invisible force field, so that every time people are passing here, and by people I mean people who are 6 years and below, it's like they don't trust themselves around this wall. They just feel that if they pass around, if they make this corner, they will fall unless they hold on to this wall. So you'll just see people coming like this. When they're going back, they go like this. And the wall gets so dirty all the time. Now I remember why my mom used to tell us all the time, don't touch the walls, walk without touching the walls. I feel her. Mom, I feel you. You are right. Because this wall gets dirty every single day. And that's why it's important to always make sure that you're wiping down your walls. Otherwise, if you have an invisible force field wall in your house, people are always walking like this, or like this, and they want to stand here. But everywhere else, they feel they can walk without holding on to the wall. No, but not this corner. Konambaya. They just have to hold here. You know what I mean? If you know what I mean, give this video a thumbs up. Yeah. I find that it is really important to also take the time to clean our doors and to clean them well, especially in this time of COVID. So I was using this time to make sure that, especially these whole walls, especially these doors, because they are very high contact. So I wanted to make sure that I kept cleaning them every so often. I hope you're enjoying watching these cleaning videos and that it is giving you motivation of your own. If you have not tried out the Fly Lady system and you would like to, please do so. Just go to their website. It's www.flylady.net, because it really gives you all the details on how to clean your home. Because for me, my reason for making these videos is not just to show people how I'm cleaning, but to encourage and to motivate you to also try. We don't have to be so overwhelmed by the housework that we do, especially if you're a working mom. Sometimes you feel like, oh, I can't go to work and then come and work in my home. But it is actually very doable, especially if you have a working system like the Fly Lady system. So, and you can also use this video as motivation when you're doing your own front entrance or entryway or whatever zone that you're in. You can just play this video and just clean along with me. As I'm cleaning, you're also cleaning, so that we make our homes to be just a lovely haven for our families. Guys, I want to show you something, okay? Wait and see this. All right, come closer. Just come closer. Look at this. Look. Just look at this. Can you see this? Now, one day in the not so distant past, some guys decided that it's a good idea to play football in the living room. Yes, and we have a rule, we don't play football in the house. But now, because of the people's adventurous spirits, they hit this thing and it's broken. And I don't know what to do. It is so frustrating. And not only that, come here, just come and see this. Come to this side. Here, I used to have a really nice painting, really nice blue painting. If you watch my video on living room makeover, then you know. I'll link it here. But no, that day people decided, why break one thing when you can break two? So they broke my nice, lovely painting. And it even came off with some of the paint. You guys, can I get insurance for kids? Can I insure my house against my own children? Guys of insurance, please let me know in the comments below, because you guys. But anyway, I'm sure I broke enough things when I was young, as my mother would say. Let me show you the nice painting that no longer is alive. Look, look. What is this? Who does this? Look. Very nice frame. Very nice painting. They're supposed to be together, not apart. What the artist has put together, let no man put asunder. These guys did not read that verse in the Bible. You guys, how can I fix this? Please help a mother out. I want my house to look a certain type of way. So yeah. Anyway, back to cleaning. So my kids had been practicing their artist skills in the front yard. If you watched my video on how to reduce a kid's screen time, I said how our kids really love to draw with chalk on the walkway, and it's really nice because this just brings out their creativity, and it's so easy to wash away as they had done here. And then one thing I also like to do when we're doing the zone 1 is to get someone to come and just trim the grass in the front yard and just trim the hedges, making it look nice and neat, basically taking care of the flowers. And so yeah, we got this guy to come and do it. Well, we try to get him to come once a month. The rest of the time it's easy for us to just sweep away the dead leaves and just keep the grass looking nice and green. And then he comes once a month to come and just do the heavy lifting, which again, as I said, we do in the first week of the month. Then let me show you guys. Just wait and see. This part is cleaned by our help every day, but just wait to see how dirty this is. I couldn't believe. Well, I could believe, but again, I couldn't believe. Just see how dirty that front step is. And this place is cleaned every day, but sometimes that's why deep cleaning makes so much sense, because even if the house help is doing it, because she has so much work to do, she might not be able to do a detailed cleaning like this. So I just really love to just go into the details and just really scrub this front. This is the first thing someone sees when they're walking into our house, so of course I want it to look nice and clean and sparkly. So yeah, I mean, I can't say I was surprised that it was looking this dirty, because it always is, because when she's mopping, she'll just probably wipe. And that's why I think it is really important to take just once a week to do just the detailed cleaning. Because anyway, our living room and entrance and front porch are cleaned every day by the help. But you'll still find that those areas that she's not able to reach. The next part was to clean the pathway. Do you see how easy it is to just wash away the chalk drawings? It's so easy, and the kids had so much fun doing it. So yeah, that's why it's really important to just buy a packet of chalk and just let your kids enjoy drawing wherever they can, because it's so much fun and creative for them. Plus they're getting so much vitamin D in the process, which is good for them. And then we just pour water and scrub, and voila, it's back to the way it was before. I love the way our yard looks once the grass is cut and everything. It's so nice and neat. I love it, I love it, I love it. If you're liking this video, please remember to give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. It really helps to grow our channel. And I hope you're enjoying these cleaning motivation videos, as well as all the other videos that we are posting twice a week. And also, how cool is this Queen Elizabeth cocoa butter, especially after you're done cleaning and dipping your hands in detergent? If you're interested, I will put a link in the description below. So don't forget to check out that playlist, and I will see you on the next one. Keep cleaning and keep smiling. Bye.